Hello guys, run web API project test by Swagger UI. So let's start run web API project. It's Swagger UI. Now use every action method one by one by Swagger UI. First of all, use it get product list and it retrieve all product from product table. Execute. Response body, uh, it has one product id 1, potato 1 product. Now add another product. Add product product body, try it out. Product body, product id no need. Product id auto increment in our database. Product name, chicken chips, chicken potato. Description, salt and taste, something. Product price হলো 20 টাকা। Product stock হলো 200। execute it. Already executed. Now run. Already executed. Response body 1 mean operation successful. Again, product get product list. Execute. Now retrieve 2 product. Product by id 1, product by id 4, 4 chicken potato. Now update chicken potato. Update action method. Update chicken potato 4. Update chicken potato by id number 4. Update, try it out, and chicken id number হলো 4. chicken potato 1. salt price হলো 30, product stock 300। execute. Response body 1 means operation successful. Again this action method call get product list. Execute. Chicken potato 1 already updated by this product id 4. This product id 4 row updated by this value. Updated. Now add one product, get one product by ID. Click this action method, ID number 4, execute. Retrieve one product by this ID. Now delete method, delete action method, delete. Try it out. Phone number, ID row, delete, execute. Operations response body 1 operation successful. Again get product list. Get product list, retrieve all product in our database product table. Execute one row. Product ID 1 have one product, 4 ID product already deleted. So thank you so much.